Hello, good morning, everyone. I am Prem Singh Dikshit of PGP first year. My topic is impact of COVID on the microfinance sector. Let's start with the defining what is basically what microfinance sector is. Microfinance is the category of the financial services targeting the individual and the small businesses who lack on the conventional banking and related services. Microfinance include the microcredit and the provisions of small loans to the poorest and the client savings and checking the accounts and the micro insurance and the payment systems. Among the other services, microfinance services are designed in such a way that targeted the poor population segment and who are socially marginalized. The provision of microloans are to for the poorer entrepreneurs and the small businesses who are lacking access to the credit. The main mechanism of the delivery of the financial services and to such clients are the relationship-based banking and the individual entrepreneurs and the small businesses and group-based model. So starting with the what was the impact of COVID-19 in the microfinance sector, let's start like or just to the overview. So there was the difficulties in disbursement of the loans and the collection of reimbursements and the meeting with the clients. Like it was very difficult to meet with the clients on uh, offline because you have to clear the norms like all the COVID-19 regulations we have to follow and like internal process was also got affected and the flow of the work, and there was also the portfolio at risk was got affected, like 17% of the FMIs of Central Asia, Europe got affected, and which got doubled of 30%, while in the case of 41% in the Africa. And we can also see the FFIs that have like taken the measures to this crisis also regarding the operations measures, internal operations, risk management, and the client interface that they have improved. Also, the like FMIs have accelerated the digital transformation that have taken place due to the COVID-19, and they have also adopted the to become a very competitive and the new virtual world. They have adopted all the fintech uh, relations companies that they can do in the best course. Also, like what was the impact of pandemic on the microfinance clients? So there was impact on the business continuity. Business got impacted because there was lockdown. The people and employees were not able to come to their offices and do the work, and they also have to follow the guidelines of the COVID-19, due to which the business continuity got effective. Because of that, the impact of the business performance, the sales got reduced, sales turnover, all the profitability ratios got also reduced. So there was major impact on the COVID-19 during the lockdown. The impact of employee salaries also impacted because the salaries to the employees were not given, the bonuses and many other schemes that they have company have for the employees in the due course, but they were not given because of the liquidity crunch they have in the COVID-19. The impact on the future outlook was very bad, and there was a really bad situation as compared like after the COVID, it was reduced some of the problem, but there are some of the problem that right now also exist in the due COVID era. So impact of the MFIs. So we can see the portfolio performance also got reduced due to COVID-19 because of the returns. All the stock market were down. Example like 2 to 2.14% to 4.4% reported in the organization that they have reduced their portfolio performance. Also, there was demand for credit, like they have reduced in that there was the credit rationing and the product offers and the working with the clients and got very impacted with the because they have done through Skype, Zoom, WhatsApp video call. Risk management also got impacted because of this, and so there was internal operation that got affected, financial management, cost reduction, the impact on the future operations that was impacted. So these were the impact of the COVID-19 in the microfinance sector. Overall, we can see like there was many changes that take place during the after the COVID era, which have improved the economy also of the microfinance sector. The sales have also increased as compared to the during the COVID. So these because of these some measures taken by the RBI and the government have helped the microfinance sector. Thank you.